Number one thing na i-consider nyo when choosing a pet grooming store, saan nyo dadalhin yung dog nyo or yung cat nyo. Hi guys, my name is Ai and I am an entrepreneur, pet store owner, franchisor, and a fur parent too. Number one is how they communicate with you. Ang unang kinikonvince is tayo mga fur parent. Yung tiwala natin, kailangan ma-earn nila. Yung mga staff ba dun sa pet grooming napaka-friendly, number one. Marunong makipag-communicate. Number two, kayang-kaya nilang mag-handle. Mapapusa, aso, kahit mga tuta pa yan or kuting na aggressive or aspen, kayang-kaya nilang i-handle. It means na parang there's someone in that specific pet grooming store na dog or cat whisperers. Dog or cat whisperers is naiintindihan nila, nakakapag-comprehend sila ng actions or way of communication ng animals. May ganon. Isa ko dun. So, bilang fur parent, kinikilatis ko muna kung itong groomer bat na to marunong makipag-connect sa aso ko. Pag nakita ko yun na kaya nila makipag-connect, okay. You're in good hands, baby ko. Number 4, yung equipment nila, well-equipped yung shop. Ibig sabihin, yung may water heater, exhaust fans are working, the blowers are well-maintained. Paano mo ba makikita? Pag yung blower tunog na bagong malinis at walang amoy. Yung pet grooming area malinis, yan. And most especially, yung pet grooming, kita ko habang ginugupitan yung aso ko, very open sila ipakita kung paano sila nagugupit. Thank you so much for watching this video. If nakaabot kayo dito, ibig sabihin you're a true fur parent. You did your research how to become a better fur parent. This has been Ai. Thank you and goodbye.